Hi everyone. Welcome. Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome to Light Talks. This is episode 8 of Light Talks already. Oh my gosh. It's so many episodes already. So for those of you guys who are new here today, um, or have never watched me host this show before, episode 8. Party Parker. Yes. Oh, it's episode 7. Oh my gosh. I was already thinking. I skipped one number. Anyway, it's not a UV stream without it being scuffed, right? But anyway, Light Talks is a show that I host. I'm Yuvi, a ultraviolet light VTuber, and I host the show to introduce some VTubers from Singapore and also from Southeast Asia. And today I have my good friend Kay on the show. Welcome, Kay. Thanks for coming
Hello.
by. Introduce yourself, please, for all of them out there.
Hello. 안녕. I'm Kay. I am a lavender tea house owner from Singapore. Very nervous. Oh my god.
No, don't be nervous. So before stream, we were like just chilling and talking in the VC, and then and then we were talking about some exciting things that are happening this week. So if you guys see on the top of the screen, there is this very, very pretty little art and little graphic here. Let me make it bigger. Yeah. Kay is actually having, what are you having this week?
I'm having a birthday stream tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Come. And we'll be playing games with Dewa also. Yeah. Party animals.
Yeah.
I will have a special announcement after the collab.
Don't worry about it. I already told Kay I'm gonna dig out some teaser or special secretive things or anything that I will dig out from announcement. But yeah, you've been quite busy this week.
Yeah, I tried.
Yeah,
I tried to hype up my birthday stream. Then also, since that was BI4 having a comeback, so I want to share some more things about myself. So BI4 is also one of the part of myself. So yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yesterday, I remember. I was there yesterday. I was looking on K-Stream. She was doing a B1A4 comeback MV reaction stream. So did you react to like I don't know how you didn't get DMCA for that because it's all their MVs, right?
Yeah. So I went to back like to their first MV. Then I start going through like 13 years worth of MV of B1A4. So I just heck care. I don't know. I just don't upload the I don't publish the clips there.
Unarchived.
But archive. I record it down. Maybe one day I will bring it back on my YouTube.
Oh, I mean it's nice, right? Like especially like for a group like B1A4, they suddenly come back, and then nostalgic.
Yeah, it's very nostalgic. Yeah, I mean they are very Sanbei group. I don't think many people like new K-popers know about them. So for me, I just want to share more about B1A4. So hence also one of the reasons why I was a VTuber at the start also.
Oh,
yeah.
Why? What is the origin story? How did you become a VTuber?
Oh, so back then I think 2021, I was thinking about how can I, because I'm a very, very big Bana. So Bana is actually the fan club name of B1A4. So I was a very big Bana back then, like even now lah, but back then was even crazier. So I wanted to let more people know about them, especially the newer K-pop fans. So I know they are very talented. Their songs are very nice. I wanted to, like, maybe if I stream, I can talk more about them. Then people will know about them and listen to their music if I actually play their music on stream.
Oh my god.
Then I realized there's a lot of copyrighted thing. Then okay, nah, it's okay.
True though, but like I like the vision.
Yeah.
I mean, it was
Yeah.
good intention.
I mean, it's not the reason why I was a VTuber, but I was thinking to be a IRL streamer back then, because I was a streamer like long time ago on other platforms.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
So,
didn't
I
know.
saw VTubing SGVT, then I started VTubing.
Well, I
Yeah,
didn't know about that. So
Yeah.
actually, I'm very excited to do this show with you because, like, you know, I dig out a lot of people's secrets. Okay, not really their secrets.
Their secrets.
More like small information about people that I've never known before like the light talk show. Like I never knew things like I never knew Lottie stream on Facebook before.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like very niche kind of I don't know, information that you wouldn't know, you know? But also, what platform do you stream on previously? Or is it a secret?
What? I just started. I stream on this place called Block TV.
How do you
It's a
spell
very,
that?
very old streaming platform. I think like the earlier days one. Then I went to Bigo.
Oh.
So I knew a lot of like friends from streaming. Yeah.
Oh. This
Mm.
wow. Okay, I've never heard about it. How long was it? How like
I
when
think I
was it?
streamed very long. I think since maybe 13 years ago.
Oh my gosh. Hey, you are a senpai. You're a big senpai.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's really
When
long
I was
ago.
still schooling back then, yeah, then I was doing a bit of streaming to board at home. So,
Oh my
so
god.
my friend introduced me. Yeah. Then back then it was like a bit more pretty, you know.
Wait, so you were IRL streaming then?
Yeah. So yeah.
Wow.
Then I realized VTuber no need to put makeup so nice. Then I went to VTuber.
True. I mean, it's one of the good things about being a VTuber. You really don't have to care. You can just go live.
Yeah. And then I'm in my pajamas right now. You cannot do that, do you?
Yeah, real though.
Yeah.
So what kind of things do you stream on the other platforms? Is it the same like gaming or
Not really. Previously, I was doing more on just talking, just chatting.
Oh.
So people will come in and chat with me. Then back then I was a bit studying in Korean, like learning Korean. So on that platform, there's a lot of Korean people, like person also, yeah, Korean. So I actually communicate with them. They will come to my stream. I will go to their stream. Then we will throw each other beans.
Beans? There's the
Yeah,
platform.
beans is like the currency of. So people give me beans, I throw back to another person. That kind of
That's so cute. Oh my gosh.
So it's like TikTok flower, but it's beans.
Similar to Twitch.
Yeah,
like the bits in it, all that. Yeah, but it's quite interesting. I never knew you stream on some other platform before this.
Yeah, quite interesting, fun. Cause initially, the reason I'm back to streaming is also because I thought like maybe I could find more friends to play game with. So I had like some good experience back then. So why not? I try
Mm.
again.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm, mm. Well, did it work?
Yeah, I guess it worked.
It did
I
work.
got more than friends.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh,
Worth. Very
worth. Yeah.
worth. Oh my gosh. But how do you find out about VTubers? Like,
Mm,
you
I
just.
think previously, okay, I have to start with like how I find out Twitch first because
Mm.
initially I was watching I think Toast,
Ah.
right? You know the Among Us era.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was watching Toast, then I quite a lot back then on Twitch. So I went to venture up a bit more to local. So I saw Kuchan.
Mhm.
Yeah, so Kuchan is actually my first VTuber that I saw on SGVT, like as a VTuber. And yeah, so I think my memory about VTuber is also the first person I saw is him. Yeah.
Mm.
So I find that it's very interesting. I think I was it's so hard to say, like I was attracted by the voice. Yeah. So I find it I find people who speaks very well attractive. Like I envy people who can speak very well. So I sort of linger a bit in his stream, and I got to know more about VTubing, I guess. Then I was like, okay, I want to be a VTuber myself.
Nice. I'm
So
blushing.
yeah, so because like I said, I wanted to stream as well. So and I was thinking that maybe a VTuber you don't need to show your face, you can be a bit more secretive. Yeah.
True.
And don't need to make up. I
Yeah.
can anyhow sit also, it's okay.
Yeah, I can see with the leg up.
Yeah, like Uncle Roger. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's nice being a VTuber.
Yeah, then I get to know more friends. Yeah, so my objective is fulfilled.
Yeah. Well, would you ever consider doing IRL streaming again since you did it in the past?
Mm, Not really.
No.
I think I'm very comfortable with VTubing. Yeah. I mean, maybe in future, like very long, like much later. I don't think I will do IRL. Maybe I will just do my hand cam.
Yeah, hand cam would be nice.
Yeah.
Especially if you want to do like craft stream or like
Yeah.
yeah, or
Since
cooking.
I like to do crafting also. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for people who don't know you in chat, like what kind of streams do you do? Like in general nowadays?
I am a very variety VTuber because I don't know what I do. But yeah, I when people ask me this question, I tend to panic a bit because I actually play all kinds of games. I don't think I really find a niche, like my niche of exactly do I go for. Usually I tend to go for like more comfy games like Stardew Valley, like those farming kind of games like Harvest Moon, that kind. But I realized that I don't really stream that much of that kind of game because it end up being a bit of repetitive and
Yeah.
boring. If then I will end up being, I will need to talk a lot. Yeah, I mean kind of if I have a stream then I don't talk, right, I feel very awkward. Then I feel like I need to talk. Then I'll start to talk to the grass, the dog, everything. I mean, I don't know. I talk to everything else but my viewers.
No, but I totally get it because I also don't like awkward silences, right? So
Yeah. So then,
talking
yeah.
talking to the grass is quite funny though.
Yeah, I'll talk to the flower. Like, how are you? Why you grew up already so fast? Oh, do you like water? I can give you more water.
Which flower don't like water?
Yeah.
That's quite funny.
I mean, the grass don't need water. The grass can grow by itself. But if I don't like you can go away. Then I cut the grass. Yeah.
So it's advanced technique, you know, like
Yeah.
people go out to touch grass. Kay is already like ascended to talking
I
to
talk
the
to
grass.
the grass. Yeah.
But what's your favorite genre? What's your favorite genre of games? Like, is it
genre?
yeah, or like
I guess
my
my favorite genre to stream maybe mahjong.
Oh,
Yeah. Because I think I still have the excitement. I whine a lot, so whenever I don't get the things that I want, I whine a lot. Yeah.
I heard that you are quite the mahjong pro.
No, I'm just lucky sometimes.
I heard every time. Every time Cherry and Kuchan and does Ghost play with you guys? I don't know, but
Yeah,
you always winning.
I think because I don't really do my tiles nicely, I just win whatever.
But that might be a strategy too, you know?
Yeah. So I'm the kind that I can win with one hand, two hand. Then everybody is like making big tiles, you know, like crazy tiles. Then I am like, okay, I will deny you one hand. Then you know the concept of the 积少成多, you know.
Yeah.
Like you start from small, then you become bigger.
Yeah, like
getting more. Yeah.
Yeah, you keep winning the small, and then they accumulate to become a lot of money.
Yeah. Then sometimes I don't even know I have big tiles, so I just play.
Wow, then when they calculate, they're like, oh my gosh, so huge.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm this kind of player. Don't need to try hard one. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like, luck is a skill, right?
Yeah. I think I don't translate this skill to my mahjong soul, but I guess it's a good thing too. It's like a better thing, right?
Yeah, I mean, mahjong so don't earn you money.
Yeah. So it's actually better to have the luck in real life.
Yeah. Actually, you have a lot of IRL luck. Especially, do you bring your red panda to the mahjong?
Yeah, true. Usually I will carry my red panda and play mahjong with them. Maybe that's why.
Wait, what's the origin story about your red panda? How did it start?
My origin story. I mean, it's just red panda. Okay. I bought the red panda in the zoo. You know, remember we went to the zoo, right?
Yeah.
We bought the red panda. Cause Kuchan tell me he like red panda.
Okay.
Then I bought the red panda. Then I realized red panda is actually a lucky animal. Considered cause like red panda. So it's a very good panda. So my panda is a good panda. He let us win a lot of bolas.
Yeah, but oh my gosh, I realized that you really always win with the red panda.
Yeah. Even on the cruise, you know, we brought the red panda down and we started winning. It's a lucky panda.
Yeah, it became like their good luck charm. I wonder if I could get more.
I'll let you hold my panda next time.
Yeah. It really works. I don't know how it works, but this red panda really very lucky.
Yeah, it's a good panda. Yeah.
Good panda, yeah.
Yeah, I should make a mini pet, red panda pet.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Like chat mascot.
Yeah, my chat mascot.
Yeah,
The red panda.
you make the chat mascot the red panda, then you win all your
Yeah.
50/50s or your
Yeah,
gacha.
my
Oh,
lucky mascot. Maybe next time my mahjong so I can get the character I want in one row.
oh my god. Wow, Mahjong Soul gacha is another level.
Yeah, wow,
I
that's
don't know.
sad.
I don't know how people gacha of Mahjong Soul. Like really, how much
I mean,
money?
if you are very lucky, you can get in one row. But if you so suay, right? It is I spent because I wanted this character, the bird one, the blue bird. The
Blue, but
there's a I cannot what's the name? I cannot remember
let
her
me
name.
see. Mahjong
Um,
Soul.
yeah. So she's like a very the only son. So she's a bluebird.
Oh.
I didn't want to spend too much, so I had like 10 free coupon.
Uh-huh.
Then I spent all my jades also. I think I had like
Oh.
jades for 10 rolls. Then I spent extra $80.
Oh
I
my
remember I spent extra
gosh.
$80 on that. And I did not get it.
So now you still don't have it, or
I still don't have it.
oh my gosh.
So I was like thinking $80 okay, I cannot do anymore. I stopped. Yeah.
Yeah, must have like a limit lah.
Yeah. But I still don't have it. I'm very sad.
Oh, Lottie says,
It's okay.
Lottie says sign up for content creation. You're gonna be a Mahjong Soul streamer?
I don't know whether I'm good enough for that.
No, I think
I'm
you
the
should try.
lucky kind.
You should try. I mean, if you do a lot of Mahjong Soul streams, then you can consider going for their content creation program. See whether you can
Do
get
they
character.
Give me free character.
I don't know. That one need to ask Lottie Chu.
I want the red panda.
There's a red panda on.
Yeah, there's a red panda girl. Very cute.
Oh.
Yeah. I didn't want to try that one.
You should try to get them. Then you'll be super lucky.
Maybe. Yeah. But the current character that I use, I got in one row. The nun one. Yeah.
Wow.
So that one is like really my lucky character.
Wow.
Yeah. And it's a free one, the free coupon. So
I always pull, but then like I never use. I put for who is it? The Kakeguri Jabami Yumeko. And then also like the Love is War, you know, the white hair girl. Yeah, but I never use.
You need to play more.
Yeah.
Yuzu, yes.
Yeah.
The
Oh my
red panda
gosh.
is called Yuzu.
We should play. I very long never play Mahjong Soul on stream.
Yeah, you should.
You can just Joe on Dewa. really.
Can.
You just on game Joe, or you want to make a new role like MJS Joe also can.
MJS.
real though. Like we can you can start opening the kindergarten also.
The
Tuition.
kindergarten of you only can have luck only, you cannot play with skills.
All luck kindergarten, no skill.
All luck, yeah, no skill.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. No, but the time when we play on the cruise, right? Really?
Then I'll land then the red panda.
Yeah, but really, your luck really damn good on the cruise.
Oh, you also.
That one is beginner's
The
luck.
lady
you know?
luck. Lady
Yeah,
luck.
yeah. Because yeah.
Whatever we want, we can get it. Yeah.
Okay, so since you are after your like birthday week, right? What are you gonna do?
After my birthday week, actually I don't have any plans yet.
Any games you want to stream, like in the future?
Games in future. Actually, I was thinking of doing a lot more drawings. Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to do more drawings, so I need to practice more for future use. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, for future use.
Yeah.
Then I also want to like play horror, but I don't know. I feel very hesitant about that.
Why?
But yeah, I'm
Why?
not good at horror, obviously.
But
Yeah.
but it
I'm not
seems
good.
like you play it quite well.
No, I need backups. Maybe
Emotional.
Gu Jian will be the one playing there at the back watching that time. No, you know backseat me, I backseat you.
Emotional support human.
Yeah.
But
I will hang on to Gu Jian, then he will go and play.
that's live backseating stream. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So also the the Stardew Valley. Yeah. So if Stardew Valley you have the what's the next
Yeah.
the update, right? For
The
more
8-player.
players.
Yeah, oh my gosh. I also
So I
want.
was thinking like maybe can create one for Deba.
Yeah.
We'll play all together
Oh my
on Stardew
gosh.
Valley. That would be quite nice.
Yeah, I think it will be quite chaotic. Need to split the money for sure.
Yeah. Everybody will start spending money.
Yeah.
Like, no money anymore.
Then we will scold each other. Yeah.
Yeah.
But oh my gosh, speaking of art, right? I have pinned Kay's birthday raffle on the chat. If you guys see, there's a link to Kay's birthday raffle. So she drew these fat, so cute. It's animated fat. Yeah, so if you guys want animated fat, go and participate in the raffle. Yes, it's so cute.
Yes. And I got my emotes.
Yeah.
Emote.
Oh, so cute. Yeah, so like I think a lot of us are on art journey. Yeah. So you can join us on art journey.
Yeah.
There's
I mean, and my goal is also might want to try boofing also, but I need to buck out first. I need to practice more.
Go on the training arc.
Training art, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I draw more.
Yeah. Can go out to a cafe and draw.
Yes.
Because I know that this season somehow is the drawing season. Because a lot of us are preparing for our booth also. Yeah, so everybody's drawing. So popcorn drawing. Popcorn art. Yeah, but just hit us up when you want to draw. We can just hang out in the art studio or go out to a cafe with nice vibes. Then we draw. Yeah.
We can draw together.
Yeah. But what do you think, apart from like, so you said like you wanted to do art, so art streams or just art in general?
Art streams. Yeah. So draw more, then maybe if I can, hopefully I can start to do commission if I got the confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can
maybe
slowly
I can open a shop. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
slowly.
my goal for this year.
Nice. That's great goals. New Year's
Yes.
resolution, huh?
Yeah. My New
Very
Year's
close.
resolution.
Yeah. Any horror game that you want to play since you mentioned horror also?
I haven't really go and seek out yet. I think recently we say we want to play the what's that? I don't know. What's that name?
What's it about?
The stalker one.
Oh,
It's not really
parasocial.
horror, huh? Yeah, parasocial, I think.
Not
I think
really horror.
It's not really a horror, but it's a psychological thing. But to me, it might be a horror because I'm scared of everything. So
I think Des will tell you that it's horror.
yeah. I mean, I think my my tolerance with horror is quite similar to theirs. Maybe even worse than her.
I cannot.
At,
Horror
at
so
least she's willing to
scary.
try, you know. I mean, like the kind that I want to try, but I don't think I can do it.
But didn't you play like the Paper Bright series?
Yeah, I played the Paper Bright series. I mean, Paper Bright is not that scary. I don't think Paper Bright is scary. I mean, occasionally there's like jump scare, but the jump scare is not like the in the face kind.
Huh? Really? I thought it
Yeah.
was very scary.
I maybe at the moment when I play, I felt scared lah. But after that, maybe I reflect that actually it's not that bad.
Okay lah. That
Yeah.
means your tolerance for horror is not that bad lah.
Yeah,
Still can.
as long as it's not like jump scare kind, I mean fine. Story based is okay. Like don't, as long as you don't chase after me.
I think
I will have nightmare.
Oh my gosh.
Like the little company, oh my god. I have nightmares of the mobs chasing after me.
Really? Which one? Which mob?
I don't know, I think it's the spider.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yeah, I think the spider chased after me. Then I can't remember. Like in the morning, I remember that I kept running around. Like my whole dream, I was like running.
Oh my
mobs.
goodness.
Then I can remember the
Sorry. Yeah.
I tend to have like nightmares over the games that I play.
I mean, if it's a horror game,
Yeah, maybe even like very like wholesome game, like party animals, that kind of game. I also can have like dreams of me playing, like still in the game, playing and beating people up.
That's quite funny. So you have a lot of dreams about games?
Yeah. So like whenever I play like a game that I find like I'm very focused in it, then the night I will be dreaming about it. Like, I dream about Maple Story as well. It's not even just horror.
I guess like you think about it.
Character.
You think about it a lot.
Into the games. I think about it.
I think that's what happens, right? For dreams, like if you think about something too much, then you will dream about it.
Yeah, so I have a lot of dreams.
At least
most of the time it's just running.
Yeah, but it sounds fun. I think we should just now say you also should play more chilla games.
Yeah.
Chilla art games. Yeah. Sounds.
Yeah. So like the bedroom that he said, I played the bedroom with Kujan and Sherry and Shira.
Yeah.
So I hid inside the closet. I didn't want to go out all the time.
I mean,
it's like I cannot deal with this.
It looks quite scary. It does look quite scary.
I cannot play games that chase after me.
Oh yeah. I think I saw. I don't know whether it's the bedrooms or like some Roblox horror thing. Like they just keep running from the thing that's chasing you. I cannot. It's so scary.
Yeah, I think because my reaction is very slow also. So sometimes I don't know, if I react too slow, then I will get jump scare. And I feel afraid to move. If I don't move, the jump scare will definitely happen anyway.
Yeah, but I think for horror you can just like you see what you're comfortable with. If it's too intense, I will just like okay. That's it.
Next time no more.
Yeah, next time no more.
Yeah, that's why the bedroom, the second part I did not play.
But apart from horror, any like craft streams? Since you said you love crafts, yeah.
Crafting streams, I do have a lot of things that I can do crafting streams with. Like I have plans, like previously, like I bought the stuff but I did not do it.
Like what?
So maybe, I mean, like those miniature building kind of stuff.
That
Like,
sounds exciting.
yeah. But I don't know. It's staring at me for like the whole 6 months already. But
You should just schedule the stream. Sometimes I feel like you just schedule it, then you are forced to do it. You
true
say,
lah.
you say you have to
But
do
that one
it.
need to do a lot of setup lah.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Costume, you will usually like do the hand cam and all that stuff, right? So yeah, it is a
That's
lot
why
of
I will
setup.
need to do webcam. I have the second webcam.
Oh,
I did a crafting stream like last year. No, not last year. 2 years ago.
oh,
On my birthday, I did a small like it's not a miniature house thing, but I don't. I never complete it.
I never completing this birthday.
Well, like 2 years. I took 2 years to complete. 2 birthdays to complete.
But it's okay. I think like you can explore, see what's more of like your vibe, this year. See what kind of streams you want to do. It's like, if
Yeah.
you're variety, you can just like be very flexible about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I also enjoy like playing random games.
Mm.
So I play very like random games. Like, one day I can be playing like Sunhaven, another day I'll be playing like Dave the Diver. Yeah.
But they're fun.
Yeah, it's very fun. I can play. I got a lot of games like it's in the closet for me to play. I always say that like my games are like the clothes in my closet. Because like like girls, they got so much clothes to wear, but they always complain, I don't have clothes to wear. That kind of feeling.
I don't have games to play.
My game is so I got so many games to play, but I don't know what to play.
Anything that you want to complete this year? Like any games you want to complete?
Games.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm not a completionist.
Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm wondering if you and Kuchan will play any do a couple stream.
Couple stream?
Yeah.
Really?
Play like couple games, Like
I don't know.
have you ever considered?
I did ask him whether we want to play the Brett and the Fred. The penguin one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he like never really tell me about it.
Kuchan, now is the time to tell her about it.
Yeah.
Kuchan, answer
So
her. Answer her. Are you playing Brett and Fred together or not? No, but I love watching people play that game.
It's so cute, the penguin, and we have to like coordinate each other to get through the thing.
He said yes,
It's
sure.
a bit like yes, sure.
Hey.
I like force him to play here.
Yeah. Just force him. Just drag him out of his OSRS.
Yeah,
like,
always
time to
OSRS.
play.
I bet now he also playing OSRS.
OMG, hey girl. We can relate. I can relate to you.
Yeah.
Every time I look at his screen, it's also OSRS.
OSRS. Yeah,
You guys...
like the two screen, right? One is OSRS and another one anime.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
hey, she's talking about you
podcast.
She's also talking about you ghosts.
Together.
All these men are the same.
Yeah.
OMG.
This is why they are friends.
OMG, yeah, 2 in 1 cloud. This Cherisia, you don't lie. You don't pretend you also don't. You also don't do this. Oh my gosh. Hey, I can relate. Does he bring you out on dates? Does he still bring you out on dates?
bring me on dates.
Yeah, since he started OSRS, do you find that the frequency of dates have decreased or or the length of dates? We need to spill.
I think it's not that different because for us, I think we don't really like to go out anyway. Yeah. So I mean, our comfort zone, like you're in the bubble. You always like to be at home. We're a homely person. We don't like touch grass. Yeah, that's why I talk to them. Yeah.
But do you find like he still spends like quality time with you?
I think we are in the space lah, so I think quality time. I mean, usually, you just you do your thing, I do my thing. Then, but you're still in the same space.
I see.
Yeah, but occasionally we try to go out and eat lah. I mean, we just go out for a nice dinner. Quite fun, quite nice. Like recently, we also went. We went out like.
Yeah, I heard you went.
You know.
Yeah, I heard you went out.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I mean, like you just let me know if anything changed before and after he start OSR.
I think change not really.
Yeah.
We just
Hey, good for you.
I try to protect you.
Yeah. She. Okay.
No.
I see.
It's still the same.
Yeah, good
it's
for
still
you.
The same strategy. Because before that he already started playing other games also.
I mean, true. Yeah.
Before that was like the Maple Story, right? I mean, he was playing the Maple Story himself. I was playing myself. So.
Hey, but y'all don't play Maple together?
He leveled up too fast.
How can you level up too fast?
Yeah. Oh, maybe I too slack already.
Shouldn't you wait for her to catch up? Then you go together.
Yeah, he leveled up very fast. Then he play in a world that I cannot touch. I cannot go over there.
Oh, MG. Oh, this man. OMG.
Efficiency.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, efficient. Then I went like that slowly. Play only.
OMG. Okay, at least he can help you.
He help me kill dailies.
Yeah, he can help you grind. Yeah, I mean, at least he must be useful like that, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you must use like it's okay. I mean, if he level up faster, he can help me fight the boss.
Yeah. Those who go ahead must come back and carry. You know?
Yeah. So he will carry me. He give me money.
Okay, hey, that's good. That's like.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
He sponsor my gear.
So equivalent of like, you know, Valorant, you buy gun for
Yeah.
I'm just joking. Not like Kuchan will play Valorant. Yeah.
Yeah.
But are you looking to explore Valorant this year?
No.
No.
I'm not an FPS player.
My Valorant agenda.
I play Valorant. I probably can play maybe max 2 games or 1.5 games.
Okay.
Because I'm the giddy type. I tend to get tired. I get tired too quickly already. I don't have the stamina for that kind of game.
Well, it's okay. I mean, it's okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Well. Yeah. Anyway, like since we talked quite extensively about games already. So like I think I'm looking forward to your art journey and the games that we are gonna play together this coming year. Yippee!
Yay. I really like to play collabs.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I love playing games with friends. I love this
Yeah,
stuff. Yeah.
I think my solo game are not entertaining enough.
No lah, it's not that. I mean, like, you have a lot more fun when you play games with friends, I
Yeah,
feel.
true.
Like,
A lot of laughing.
if you want to be like comfy, I guess like chilling or vibing, then you play solo games. I think still fine. Yeah, but if you want to like laugh a lot, I guess
Yeah, like chaotic.
more chaotic lah. I mean,
Yeah.
different people, different vibe. You know. Yeah. So like if you, I mean, depends on what kind of mood you want to go for. You know.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So maybe ask you a few more questions. So do you have any like goals as a VTuber?
Goals as a VTuber.
Yeah, I asked this to all of them.
Actually, I don't really have like a big goal. I think for me, I want to just initially my goal was to make more friends. Also I wanted to be able to speak better because I was quite an introvert back then. Then I think I'm getting better, but it's not good enough. I want to speak very well. Like, I mean, yeah, I for now I'm still like a bit nervous whenever I talk. So I want to be like a very good speaker. So I want to like be able to do maybe just chatting stream might be my goal. Yeah, just on yeah. But for me, I maybe that this year I will work on like how I convey my message and how I talk lor, basically.
Yeah, but I think it's a good goal. Like before streaming and after streaming is I feel like it really takes you like it takes a bit from you. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's like it really forces you to be like there and then like come out with some conversation, you know?
Yeah.
So in a sense,
it's very
like
hard for me.
yeah. In a sense, like I mean, it's difficult, but then slowly you'll get used to it. I feel like yeah. At the start when I stream, I was a bit like don't know what to say, you know, nervous, that kind of thing. Yeah, but I guess like slowly, the more you stream, like the more you get it, the more you can like banter kind of thing. Also depends like depends on your I guess like your dynamic dynamic with your chat or like with your friends, that kind of thing. Yeah.
So yeah, I think this is I still need to work on it a lot. I feel because I think also because I stopped streaming for a while like back last year because I was too busy also. So only like starting this year, then I start to stream a bit more, like once or twice a week. So I still think that I'm trying to like I'm still trying to get the momentum of it lah. So
yeah.
I just try my best, I guess.
But take your time. Like don't need to rush into it or feel like I think very easy to feel like oh you're not doing enough. But then this kind of skill is like slowly learn one ma. So yeah, you got this. You got this.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Wait, what's your MBTI? Do you know your MBTI?
MBTI. I think it's
since you say you're introverted.
I think it's NFFP.
INFP?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hey, we're the same.
Yeah.
Okay. But like
I think
yeah, I think it's
introvert person.
yeah, yes. It's okay. I mean, a lot of streamers are actually introverted, like real.
Yeah.
Like I'm introverted also. I think like Kai also introverted. Like a lot of us are introverted also. So no worries. We just slowly slowly
Yeah.
learn how to talk with people. Yeah. And
True that.
it's okay to not like talk so well, because like the right friends will wait for you to be able to express yourself, you know.
Mm,
Hmm.
yeah. I mean,
That's like
even it's not just friends, like maybe, like public speaking and all. So
mm,
that's what I'm trying to go towards also.
mm,
Yeah.
mm, mm. No, but really, I think streaming really helps with public speaking. Like really helps
True.
with public. It's like a small practice room for your public speaking.
behind our VTuber.
It's like last time they will say like, oh, you want to practice public speaking, you speak in your mirror. Now you can just speak on
Yeah.
stream.
Yeah. True.
Hmm. Okay. What do you think? I mean, like, I think just chatting is generally quite hard. Like in general, I think like when I had Cherry on, he was also saying like, oh, just chatting is difficult topic for him also. I think like it's not. I guess everyone, a lot of people experience that. Like a lot of people feel that it's difficult. Yes.
Yeah.
But
Maybe
apart
one
from
day I can do a 2 hour just chatting. I'll be very happy.
Oh my gosh. That's the goal. We'll work towards it. Just put art stream but do just chatting. Hey Dan. Just because it works for you.
I mean, that stream always has a lot of people talking to her, so and she end up not doing her art, but she was talking.
It
was like the another way around.
you thought we were only calling the guys out, huh? Calling you out too. That stream is just chatting stream. No art.
No art.
No
just
lah.
chatting.
20% art. Yeah, but what another thing? I mean, like apart from the things that are difficult, what do you think is something that you really enjoy about like VTubing or streaming, or like the community in general?
I think I'll say there's a lot of like viewers that will come in and just say hi and like chat with me for a bit. I think that was quite nice. Others than my friends, like people that I don't know, I think that is quite nice of them to come in, because I'm not really, I really think I'm not that interesting.
No.
So whenever I stream, I'm in like talking to myself. So yeah.
No. Don't take like that.
Yeah.
Today we are covering such interesting things about K, guys. So like, of course, you have to have confidence. You are interesting. You have your own.
I need to have more confidence.
Yeah, you have your own stories. I mean, you have your own experiences. Yeah. Yeah, like you don't even honestly. I also feel like I'm not interesting, but then like sometimes you talk about your experiences, like, oh, I went to this place and then I saw this thing, that kind of thing, and it's still very interesting. What it is very interesting.
Yeah.
Just have more confidence.
I think they have more confidence. Yeah. So actually, it's very nice whenever like I feel like validated somehow when there's like new viewers coming to say hi and they stick around. Then I will feel like maybe I'm quite interesting today. Or my stream is doing well today. Whenever then this thing happened, I was like, okay, that means I'm doing something good. So maybe I think that happened whenever I play mahjong, so I should play mahjong more, right?
I mean like it's like that lah. I guess like some days really like even if nobody comes in, it doesn't mean you're not interesting. Like there's a lot of people
Yeah.
who are very interesting, but then like people just want to listen to them talk to themselves, you know?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, maybe they just like to hear you talk to the grass or the flower.
They find it so fun. They want to be the grass, then I talk to them.
Yeah, but like you, I feel like you enjoy yourself like during stream. It really shows. It really shows that you enjoy yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that's why my mahjong stream is one of my highlights.
Because you always win.
I'm always in pain.
She always
Then
wins.
like, oh,
Then she always
I always
enjoys.
in pain.
No, why?
I was angry. Like, no, I don't ready.
It's okay. It's okay. Mahjong rank can get back one.
Yeah. Why did he die me?
But yeah, I want to watch your mahjong stream soon. Go and Joe Mahjong. I will play
Yeah.
Mahjong with you. Even though I've been on losing streak. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's just internet
Playing with friends,
mahjong.
no ranking one, so it's
Yeah.
more fun.
Playing with friends is like, you know, they're building something big, then you run.
Then you deny them.
One hand.
Yeah, one hand. Hey, they don't want to play with me anymore.
No. They will play with you. But now it's
Okay.
about like I think we talked quite long. We talked for like 1 hour already. Do you even feel like 1 hour?
Yeah.
So it's time now for the marshmallows. We have some very interesting marshmallows today.
Marshmallows.
Like I've never seen I would say I've seen my fair share of interesting marshmallows, but this one, your marshmallows are really interesting.
I
Okay.
don't know.
Yeah, I mean I've never seen. Okay, let's go and see them. Let's go and see them. Okay, first one, starting normal. What is your favorite dish or dessert?
My favorite dish. I think I am not a really dessert kind of person. So yeah. So I would choose favorite dish. I like. I don't know things that I like. Yeah, whatever.
They want
Anything
to
that chef
test
makes.
Kuchan.
Huh?
No. What
Oh,
did-
does Kuchan know my answer? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Does Kuchan know my answer?
Okay,
Okay, I like too many things that I don't think he probably know what I like.
Give us a hint. Give us a hint.
What do I like?
Hmm.
I don't think I know what I
What
like.
cuisine? What cuisine?
Cuisine.
Yeah.
Cuisine.
What cuisine?
Cuisine, I think more easier.
Huh?
I think cuisine is probably more easier. Like what type? Like
Oh, as in what cuisine is the
Asking me.
dish that you like?
oh, what cuisine I like?
Yeah,
I like Korean food.
So, Kuchan, can Kuchan guess?
Korean food. Cuisine. K cuisine.
Cuisine. Okay, what's the dish? What's the dish that you like?
Okay, I like Korean food. Generally, I like Korean food, but I like naengmyeon. I like sundubu. Yes, I like sundubu. SPCT.
I love that too. Oh my gosh, so yummy.
Yes. Okay. So probably sundubu more than naengmyeon. But I like naengmyeon.
Kuchan make her change her answer. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think I really like sundubu.
It's a restaurant
Sundubu.
desk.
Yeah, it's a restaurant. I think guess we went there before. The first time I met you, we went there.
Is it the one
Yeah.
we went at the?
No. The first time I met Kuchan,
Yeah, we
I
all
met
went,
with-
right?
Des and Sherry.
Ah, okay. Ayo, that's forget.
Yeah, so Des and Sherry is like the wingman.
Wait, Were you not together at that time?
No, we have to meet first, then we can get together.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not that kind of person.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait. I didn't know. I couldn't
Yeah.
I can't remember the timeline. Can't remember the
Yeah.
timeline.
Yeah, so they went there as Kala Fair, yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, my favorite dish is sundubu. Back
I
to the
see.
question.
First meeting dish.
First meeting dish. Yes. Sundubu.
Okay, so you don't
Got
like desserts?
memories.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's very nice. It was so good. I would go back there again.
Yeah, let's go. A bit expensive, but can.
Yeah. So you don't like dessert at all? Or
Dessert.
dessert?
I don't really like dry food.
Oh.
So like cakes. Sometimes
Oh.
are quite dry. I like things with zap, the sauce.
You need the dessert with the zap.
Yeah, I need the dessert with the zap. So like lava cake. The thing is, I don't like chocolate. So I'm not a big fan of chocolate. So dessert, chocolate, like I cross out a lot of dessert with chocolate already, lah. So yeah. So and strawberry. Not really also. Not a big fan. I like I can eat strawberry, but I'm not a big fan, that kind of thing. So if the dessert, right, the only dessert, okay, even quite ironic, since I say I don't like strawberries, I like strawberry shortcake. I mean maybe that's the only dessert I like. Because got a lot of cream. It's more of the cream than the cake itself.
The shortcake. The huh? Wait, you don't like the strawberry, but you don't like the cake?
I like I like strawberry shortcake.
But
if you put strawberry in other dessert like tarts and I don't know what else, like biscuit, the kind of thing I don't like. Yeah, I like the cream.
Speaking about food, I almost forgot to ask you to add something to my menu.
Yeah.
Yeah. What would be something you want to add to my menu?
Okay, I want to add something lavender. I was thinking like maybe a lavender milk tea.
Oh,
is it too generic?
Milk tea? Milk tea or just a tea?
Yeah.
Lavender milk tea?
Lavender Earl Grey tea.
Ooh, wow, that sounds so nice.
Then you must draw more lavender in it.
I'll draw.
You have to have the lavender petal inside the tea.
Oh wow. So Earl Grey milk tea. Lavender Earl Grey milk tea.
Lavender Earl Grey milk tea.
Okay. Yeah. So just to tell you guys what other people the most recent one is this 1 calorie Cinnabons and Cherry's 8-drop soup. And
8-drop soup.
Yeah, that I haven't tried yet.
Oh, I think my one very, very normal.
Yeah,
it's really a cafe drinks.
Great cafe item.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I put Yangzhou 炒饭.
At least it's not the 铁板豆腐.
铁板豆腐.
It's make my cafe a chichar.
We have to have savory stuff for the savory people.
Yeah. Okay, next question. Wow, this one is deep. Looking back at how much you have grown, what advice would you give to your younger self that if there's an opportunity to utilize the time machine to go back in time to remake your past to a different future, what would it be and why? Wow. It's a long question.
You mean as me as a person or my VTuber?
I think it could be anything. Seems like it's open to interpretation.
Okay. My younger self. I would it make my go back in time. If I go back in time and tell my younger self, or I go back in time as my younger self. Like isekai, you know.
Wow.
If I can isekai back in my memory and my knowledge,
Uh-huh.
I want to probably go back to school and undo all the mistake that I have done. Maybe I don't know. I cannot remember what I did when I was younger. Or maybe I would confess less to.
What?
No. maybe how to say? Cause back then when I was in school, I actually confessed to this person.
Spill
Then
the tea.
I did not get good results, so maybe I won't.
Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. That seems like a good thing to fix.
Give me a bit of trauma. Cause okay, so this person, I think it was in primary 6 or something.
Primary 6.
Yeah. Then I met this person in poly.
What?
It was so awkward, you know.
No, wait. Let me get it clear. You were primary 6 and you wait.
Yeah. Then I like.
You met a person in poly when you were primary 6?
No. I actually confessed to this guy when I was primary 6.
And he was in poly?
No. So
you are giving me a heart attack.
We had like some issues after I sort of confessed to him. Like yeah. So we like a bit bad blood, you know. Like awkward. I don't say that, but it's like awkward. So when we went to poly, I met him like the same person. So it's very awkward.
Oh.
Yeah. Then I meet him during poly again.
Oh
then
my gosh. Okay, yeah. That would be so awkward.
Yeah. Then I was a bit like during the poly, because in year 1, right, I also met a lot of people that actually know that I confessed to him in primary school.
Oh my gosh.
The world is so small, you know.
Oh my goodness, must be that guy say one lah.
The world is so small, then like
my goodness.
just nice my primary school friends are in the same poly as me. Then like it's so awkward. Then it's like kind of sort of spread out a bit.
OMG. Yeah. Wow.
It's awkward, like yeah, but when he grew up quite good looking, so it's okay.
All is forgiven because he grew up very good looking. We forgive him.
Similar, look the same.
We accept handsome red flags here.
Yeah. I mean, red flag doesn't matter to me because I'm not with him.
Just look from afar.
Yeah, look from afar can already.
That's quite fun.
Together cannot. Red flag. Yeah. Then during poly, right, he liked my friend.
Oh my god! So wait, like, this tea never stops giving.
It's like having a drama, you know, in poly.
Oh my
like, all the triangle, I think it's like so fun.
Wow.
Yeah, so I think my poly days is very, very interesting.
Exciting. Oh my god. So did your friend get together with the guy? Or
No. My friend don't like him.
Okay, great. Good on her.
Great friend. Yeah, great on her.
Oh my gosh, my heart beating so fast, you know?
Yeah, there's a lot of drama in poly, like those love, you know, like all the love story and stuff.
Who told you you're not interesting? I'm having a heart attack from this tea.
Yeah. I need people to ask me questions like this. Maybe I will have a lot of stories to say.
Yeah, sure. I thought you know, like after primary school, right? Then I thought like, since like if you confess in primary 6, right? I mean, isn't primary 6 the easiest time to confess? Cause like you graduate and say bye-bye. I think
Yeah.
like, oh my gosh.
But wow, you never know you'll meet the person like how many years? 5 years later.
But he can recognize you after that.
Can. Actually, he is actually my aunt's friend's son. So okay, I actually know him since kindergarten.
Oh my god, girl.
Yeah.
When did you
since
start at that?
kindergarten, I actually got like good feelings about him because he is like my type, you know.
Oh my god. Wait. The more
So like since kindergarten, but like kindergarten, you don't know what is love, right? You just like grow up with it.
Oh my
And then
god.
gong gong.
It's okay. It's okay. We make mistakes during kindergarten. Yeah.
He's my chai. Yeah, he's my chai. But I don't know. I don't really know him that well. Just that he's my chai only.
Yeah. I mean, like, the kindergarten boys are not to be trusted, you know? They change their mind too easily.
Yeah.
I got some trauma from my kindergarten too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hey, the more I ask, right,
Kindergarten.
the more spicy things I find out about this guy.
All the way to kindergarten.
Yeah, what the heck? Oh
Then
my
you can
god.
remember like kindergarten, there's always like this one guy that you think that is good looking, that kind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
The
learned.
tall guy.
Oh my gosh, yeah. The tall at 120.
Yeah. Then you remember this guy. Then you remember him as like your Oshi, you know, like somebody that you think that is quite good looking. But even though you're just a kid, but you think that he's quite cute.
Wow. Kindergarten taught us a lot about love, guys.
Yeah, true.
Oh my god. So basically, if you were to go back in time, you just tell your younger self to not confess to that guy.
Yeah, don't confess to that guy. Not worth it. All the drama.
Yeah, not worth it. But is like you're away from that now, right? Doesn't bother you now.
Yeah.
I guess
Even his sister know that I like him. It's like,
oh my gosh.
mind blown.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, SG really too small.
Yeah, the one is so small.
How all these rumors get about? Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
Yeah, crazy. It's one love letter for.
Love letter. Oh my gosh, I think it's his spread one. Yeah, I also think he's spread one. He must be like so proud.
Very ego, you know.
Yeah, ego. Oh, they confess whatever. Red flag. Okay. Next question. If you could travel to any country, which one?
Travel to any country. I have a dream of going to this country for a road trip, which is New Zealand.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So I always have this like dream to like go on a road trip, right? Like with my friends. Like I cannot drive. Obviously, I need someone that can drive.
Yeah.
Like we have the van, like the van that you can stay in, caravan, I think.
Like those kind of those kind of traveling. I don't know what you call it.
And then you go for like 2 weeks. Then everybody stay in that van. Then you go, and I think New Zealand we can go and see ships. Yeah, ships.
Yeah.
I don't want to see the cow. I want to see the ships. Then we can go to the vineyard. Then
oh my god,
what else you can do there? Yeah. Then it's very fun. Like road trip with our like friends and camping. You know, it's always like it will be like camping like for the whole 2 weeks.
Yeah, let's
fun.
go.
Yeah, we need to find somebody.
That can drive. I need to.
I cannot drive. I don't plan to. So.
Oh really?
Anybody can drive, please.
You're not planning on doing?
I'm very afraid. I'm afraid of the road.
Why? You don't want to do your driver's license?
I mean, I do want to. I want to do but I don't know whether I have the guts to do it.
Mm.
I need to reconsider. Yeah, Sherry
Mm-mm-mm.
can drive, just sing. Yeah, Sherry can be the driver.
For all the days.
Yeah,
That
then
would be so sad.
Sherry don't need to sleep now, what? So dangerous.
You drive to 18 hours.
Yeah.
Um,
You drive
uh,
it.
well,
You don't need to sleep.
we need a supplementary driver, I think. Take shift.
Yeah.
Yeah, be
Yeah, take
safe on the
shift.
road. But New Zealand sounds so pretty.
Yeah. Then the weather, I think it'll be nice. Then we can go. Imagine we go like supermarket. Then we buy all the barbecue stuff. Then we go and find a campsite to barbecue.
Oh my gosh, so
Then
nice.
we look at the stars at night.
Wow.
Then we lie down. We lie down on the bed. Then we can see stars. So fun.
Wow. You are making me want to go too.
Yeah, then we go and see the ship. Then we touch the ship. Then we kidnap one and put inside our car. Then we drive off.
That escalated quickly. Well, like there's so many sheep they won't notice.
Yeah, they won't notice.
They won't notice.
Then Kuchan can prepare it, you know.
Yeah, they won't notice. It's just one sheep.
Yeah, they won't notice. Yeah.
There's more sheep than human.
Yeah. Then if it got duck, if also can. I don't mind taking a duck also. But duck cannot make to a stew, okay? Duck is a pet.
Huh? I thought I thought that also can eat.
Cannot.
Rare New Zealand duck.
Yeah. I don't. Is New Zealand duck even popular?
I don't know.
Like famous.
Actually, I've never seen a duck in New Zealand.
Yeah, so like yeah, it's a pet. Cannot eat the duck.
Good job. Need to learn how to prepare all these, huh? Prepare how to butcher some sheep. Okay.
So fun.
Yeah. Okay, next question. What's your favorite part about VTubing so far?
We answered it just now.
Yeah, kinda. Second
yeah,
favorite?
kinda. Favorite part of vtubing. I can get to play games with my friends. I get to know a lot of people. I don't know. Yeah, basically that. More of like these. I also played much more games than back then. So I get to explore a lot of games with the reason of I'm going to stream it.
True.
Like with the excuse of buying this game is because I want to stream. Yeah, I can buy the game that only can last like 2 hours because I want to stream.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Yeah.
You're
So
like
all the excuses to play games, like buy games.
mental
That's my favorite part of
gymnastics.
YouTube.
That's a great part.
Yeah.
Okay, since we okay, next question. Oh, what made you start fangirling for V1A4?
Fangirling. Okay, B1A4. I mentioned in my previous stream. I like guys who are megane, wear glasses, and long hair back then.
Oh,
One
back
fine day, I was a K-pop fan. I like K-pop since like quite young, but I stopped fangirling for a period. So one fine day, I was watching watching TV. Then I saw like Music Bank, right?
yeah.
Then they have their very first performance. Then I saw this guy. This guy looked very different from the typical, very typical like like the oppa hair that kind.
Yeah.
like the very pretty guys, like yeah. So it's very different from the typical K-pop idols. So he had like long hair. Then he tied his hair in a knot like like a monk. I don't like
Monk.
not like monk like tie in a knot like yeah, like tie a knot. Then he wear glasses. Then he look very different from the typical idol. Then I was very interested. Then I went to listen to the song. Then I got like hooked on it. And I wasn't like a big fan until I like went to their showcase in Singapore. Then he treated me very nice. so I became a big fan.
Wait, you met
Then
them?
yeah. So I met him. I met him during his like first visit in Singapore. So like the good first visit in Singapore. So during the showcase, he fangirl me a lot lah. Give me fan service a lot.
Service.
Yeah, fan service me a lot. Then like even back then I was a bit like I'm not proud of it, but I would say a bit like Singlish.
Oh wow.
I would follow them to like maybe they go to USS, I would follow them. But I never go into USS, too expensive, I cannot go in. Maybe outside the US, I waited. So then I think he sort of remember that I'm his fan.
Oh.
So, yeah, like he give me more fan service more than I'm not trying to be a dilulu, but it's true. I tested it out.
Oh my gosh.
I tested it out because I'm the kind of fan, even though I am there like during their private events, like their private schedule, right? I'm always like the furthest away. I don't go and mob them or anything.
Okay lah.
So,
yeah.
So I tested it out the way I tested it is I am so far away, but he still waved to me.
Oh wow.
Like he looked through all the Xiaomei Mei, right? Then he waved to me.
Wow.
So I sort of thinking like, okay, maybe it's not Lulu, but I don't know. So it is how I become a big fan of BL. I mean, it's a bit superficial reason, but after that, but the music is quite nice, very, very nice back then. And now also very nice. So yeah. It's this like incident that made me like a big fan of them. Yeah. So I start to chase them around like the other countries also.
Oh wow.
Like during not really the starting maybe the mid era.
Oh
so,
wow. I mean that's crazy.
Yeah. So I go like overseas for their concert and like fan meet. Then like he kind of remember me as his fan, but he don't know my name or anything. But he know that I'm his fan. I mean that's enough for me. Then he also I wore some gift that I gave him. So
wow.
So like this kind of small things that make me a very loyal fan to them.
Wow. No, but like you're living the YN life, you know.
Why?
YN life. No, but really, I think like it's really crazy. Like if a celebrity like recognizes you and then like where's your gift? I think I will pass away too.
Yeah. And he wore like a few of my gift.
Wow.
Not one, like a few. Yeah. So it's nice.
Yeah.
So every time you like the fan like you like buy the gift, I think you take a photo. Then whenever the next time they wear, right, then you'll take the photo, then you'll like compare, then you'll put on the Instagram. Very superficial, very fun. They say, oh, he wear my gift. It's for me.
Yeah, but I think he sounds really nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds
nice.
It sounds like I like very memorable, you know, when someone does that.
Yeah.
So that's how you started fangirling.
That's how I started fangirling. Like my oppa my oppa recognized me. My oppa gave me attention, so I love them.
That's the K-pop fan.
Yeah. But now I think commitments change and stuff, maybe I'll die down a bit lah.
Yeah, chill a bit lah, chill a bit.
Yeah, true. Maybe I won't buy like 100 album. Maybe buy 2.
Oh my gosh, you bought 100 albums before?
Once I think. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Still lying down somewhere.
to get to the fan meet.
Yeah, to the fan meet.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah, I actually got into the fan meet. Like not fan, like the fan sign, the
Yeah. The one that
online
you
one.
Oh, online fan sign. The one where you had the call with them, is it?
Yeah. The video call with them. I got in like twice, I think. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, then he confirm recognized you. Oh my goodness.
It's me again.
Good lah. Then
Yeah.
I mean, he will remember lah. I think he will appreciate that he has a dedicated fan also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kuchan say come buy my album instead. When you release, we will buy.
When you release your album,
Yeah.
I buy 100.
You release first.
Yeah.
Oh, SRS, stop giving him ideas, Tanya. Okay. Next question. Oh, wait. We already answered this one. Oh, spicy question. Tell us the story of you and Kuchan.
Story of me and Kuchan. What kind of story? There's no story. It's really it's just, I would say that I'm a successful fangirl.
This is the second time.
Yeah, it's the second time, but this is the real thing.
Wow. So,
Yeah,
how did
I
it
picked up a
happen?
salary on Kuchan. No, I just how to say, I went to his stream, then I know more about him. Then you know, like the crush feeling, like wow, this person talks so well. It's like I like people who talks very well. Then like, can speak. Like what a nice VTuber. then back then I was like asking, I think Des, I asked it, like Des, can we have like a collab together? That kind of thing with other friends. So my other friend also like one of his friend. One of her friend. So yeah, so we like thinking of like whether we want to collab together, that kind of thing. But we did not get to collab together because of some issues. Yeah. So then we sort of like talk more on Discord. Then we went out, went out with Des and Sherry to eat dinner. Then we talk more. Then we went out alone. I remember the first time we went out alone, we eat like hot pot. I can't remember. Yeah, hot pot. Then was my birthday. Yeah, it was my birthday. Then we went to. Am I supposed to say so much? We went to Gardens by the Bay, like a date, because like the thing is, he tell me that it's not a date. Anyway, it's not a date, right?
You keep telling you it's not a date.
Yeah, he tell me it's not a date. I think it's fine. Okay. Yeah, it's not a date. Right now, like we went to Garden by the Bay, because we remember that time they give us like voucher. Like to go like Singapore, like Singapore attraction, that kind of thing. So he want to spend this voucher because it's going to expire soon. So we bought the Garden by the Bay, the ticket. Then the very fancy one got the like floral fantasy. Then she got lunch, that kind of thing. Yeah. Then he spent his $200 on our that day lah. That voucher thing. After that, we went to watch movie. And this movie was like Gold Class.
Oh wow!
Yeah, then the Gold Class have like proper dinner, that kind of thing. Then my heart was like, it's not a date. Okay.
Oh my
But it's not a date, you go Gold Class. Then he said, no, it's not my birthday.
god!
kind of thing. Then I was like, okay, can.
Okay,
Yeah.
the question is, the real question is, who confessed first?
Confess first. I don't know. I think it's not really confess. You just end up together, like going out together. Confess, man. You just go out, lor.
Nobody confessed.
I confess. I don't think so. We confess.
Nobody
Yeah,
say
wow.
做我的爱 state 买做我的女朋友
I mean, obviously, it's not the girl that would say that, right?
okay.
I think even though if I initiated the relationship to start, but I won't be the one that's saying 你要不要跟我在一起 that kind of like want to be together that kind of thing. It's obviously must a guy to say this kind of thing.
Okay, so I guess we got our answer.
Yeah. Yeah, it just happened.
I see. Okay, so does he still take you to go class?
No. That was the only time I went to go class. So sad.
This guy 变了
Go class very expensive. Yeah, at home also go class. I got a big screen.
Oh, hey, you got a walking green flag. Guchan, you need to hold on 夸查吧 you know. She said go class is at home with you. What the heck? You need to hold on to her, okay?
Yeah.
Wow.
We got two computer screen to go class. He watch one, I watch one.
Wow. Oh my gosh, I am when the room's so hot.
It's just movies. We don't really watch that much movie recently also. So yeah.
Yeah, but sounds like a very nice date.
Yeah. It's a date, right?
Yeah.
You tell me it's not a date.
He said cannot pressure you.
Not pressure me, okay. Okay, fine.
So cute. I'm very happy to learn this. Thank you for telling us. I'm sure all of us were so curious. To know how you guys got together.
Yeah. I mean, Ko-chan is not he's not a very stingy person. Like when things have to be spent, he will spend. But if you have to save, he will save. Kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't have things to
he's very
for.
generous towards friends also. So yeah, I think everyone can vouch for him.
Yeah. So happy for y'all. Okay. Calm down.
Calm down. Yeah, I feel so single.
Okay, next question. Is lavender your favorite color, or is there another meaning to the color purple to you?
Yeah, lavender is pretty much my favorite color. I think like purple, like lighter purple is my favorite color. Cause I think if I could make my everything purple, I would. It's to that extent that my mouse is purple, my earpiece is purple, my phone is purple. I think my bag going to be purple soon. My notebook is purple. So if I could, I would.
Yeah.
So that's definitely yes. Yeah.
Got any meaning?
But meaning wise, I think it's also don't really have like a very very like important meaning, because I think that initially why I started to like purple so much is also because of school. I was in this club, then my color of the my poly, the school color is purple.
Oh.
So I was like one of the student club. Like I organize events for the school.
Like
So
student
I end
council
up
kind of thing.
yeah, like it's not really like student council. I just organize events.
Ah,
So
okay.
yeah, so I end up having like to wear a lot of purple.
Oh.
Yeah, cause my school color is purple. So it just from back then I like purple until now. Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah.
it's nice. Yeah. They asked you 20 presents for Kay's birthday? Huh? They say Kucha give you 20 presents for your birthday. Huh?
Is it?
Is it? You tell me?
Since when? 20 present got 20 meh? Maybe last year maybe got 20. I don't know. 20 is way over. No lah, no 20 lah. Maybe like a lot of surprises maybe.
Oh, okay.
Last year birthday, but this year maybe not really. Yeah, don't remember. Let's see.
Okay, well, let's see.
Don't remember. I remember last year. Okay.
Let's see.
What do you think?
They're testing you.
It's out all the present you ask. Yeah, you list out, not me.
Well, we'll see about this year.
Yeah.
We'll see about this year. Okay, next.
Now you're very stressed.
Oh.
Maybe you never do anything, but you only have like 2 days.
Oh, time to get the present, man. Only today. I should be prepared. I have faith in Kuchan. Let's hydrate. Let's hydrate.
Hydrate. Okay.
Okay. Next question is, do you have any food cravings now or recently?
Food cravings. Naengmyeon.
I thought you say sundubu is your favorite.
No, but I crave for naengmyeon. I mean, recently I also crave for naengmyeon. Then we went to eat naengmyeon, but now I still craving for naengmyeon.
That's how the favorite food is.
Yeah, maybe sundubu is no longer my favorite already. Maybe naengmyeon is my favorite now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
But it's always like that lah. You crave, then you eat it, then you crave again.
Yeah, so nice. I like the sourness of it. The mustard taste. Yeah, I like mustard. So.
Me too. If anyone got good naengmyeon place.
Yes, let's go naengmyeon.
My good
Please
naengmyeon.
introduce us.
My good naengmyeon place is in Seoul.
Oh, yeah.
Next time if you all go. Okay. Okay, next question.
Next.
If chef said your food is good, what would you do to make it better?
My food is good already. How do I make it better? I let chef cook. I make chef cook for me, so it will be better.
It's like, okay, you do it.
Yeah, you do it. It's like, good already, enough already. If he still asks me to make it better, I will just let you do lor.
Yes, you're so real for that. So real for that. Wait, do you cook for Kuchan or does he do all the cooking?
I don't really cook. I don't really have the chance to cook, I think. Because why would I want to cook when there's a better cook? A better chef out there. Like, why?
True. Then you do lor. Real. No, but yeah. I mean, it's legit you get a professional chef to do it for you.
Yeah. The thing is, my ideal type, right, before I know Kucha, right, is actually my ideal type is someone that can cook well.
What?
So it's like a line, the stars align and someone that can cook well. Then like I was like thinking, maybe I can get a chef, like a chef boyfriend that can cook.
Wow.
Kind. Maybe that's why I'm interested in the chef VTuber.
Mm. Oh my gosh! Yeah,
Okay.
you for real. You manifested.
Yeah,
You
so I'm
manifested
thinking.
him into your life. Real.
It's more for the greed to eat. It's not.
But yeah,
I just want
yeah.
to eat.
I mean, cooking in general is a very attractive trait. Yes.
I
Yeah.
think rather than cooking, I prefer baking. So
Wow. Why?
so baking. I think baking don't need to touch fire. I don't really like fire.
Hmm.
Baking is just like you pump inside the oven, then you just let it go on. Like,
True. True. True.
it's more of the preparation stage that more attention to than the baking stage. So I find it's
Yeah.
like and the decorating stage. So I like the decorating stage of baking.
So
But I don't really get to bake recently lah, cause there's no like proper place for us to bake.
next time.
Maybe 3 years. Maybe like next time when we have our place.
Yeah. Baking is hard lah. Baking is like a science. I feel.
Yeah.
You need to get
Yeah.
everything right.
Yeah, we need our own kitchen and stuff. Because currently we still stay with our parents, then it might not be very nice to make a mess or not very clean.
It's okay. Next time. I'm sure y'all will be able to do whatever y'all want next time.
Yeah, so maybe when we have our own house, maybe we'll cook more, bake more, and invite our friends come and eat.
Yes,
kind.
Yes please. I am very excited.
Yeah. I think the thing about me and Kuchan, we are very willing to host. Like we like friends coming.
Yeah.
I don't know about Kuchan, but maybe for me more. I don't mind people hosting people because I don't want to go out. I rather people come. Obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can speak for all of Dewa. We are very willing to come over to eat.
Yeah. Yeah. As long as you bring the trash out, I'm fine.
Yeah. I'll bring myself out. Joking. I'm very excited for you guys. I can't wait to see your future house. Visit.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
Yeah, so very excited.
Kay is inviting me. Kay invited me already before she got the house.
Yeah.
She's like, come.
Yeah, I give you invitation before the things.
Yeah.
Counting the eggs before the chicken lay egg.
Yeah. Okay, next question. This is a strange question because I've never. How much water do you usually drink in a day, and have you drank enough water today? Who asked this?
Water, just water, like plain water. Okay, I have to confess, I only drank like 1 small cup today of water.
Huh? Enough?
Because I drank a lot of tea.
Okay. I was like, 1 cup of water?
Yeah. I think. Yeah. That's why my water dispenser is a bit far from my space.
That's
so
so
I'm a bit
real.
lazy to go out. So, and I don't really like to hang out like near my pantry. So I usually just go and grab 1 can of drink and just go off.
Yeah. Don't want to stay around to chit chat, just leave the pantry.
I don't really drink a lot of water, but at home I drink water lah. So, but now, since I have a bubble tea in front of me, so I don't have water now.
What are you drinking now?
I'm drinking fruit tea.
From where?
Yeah. Spa tea.
Oh.
Yeah, so I just saw it on my delivery platform, so I like first time I see, so I ordered.
I see. Is it good?
I mean, tea is fruit tea is supposed to be healthy, so it's fine. It's not bad, it's just fruit tea.
Well, it is fruit, but I find it kind of sweet. But yeah, lah, healthy.
0% sugar lah.
Yeah, but fruit tea, I don't know lah. Fruit tea's just kind of.
So fruit. Yeah. Yes, oolong tea and fruit. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah.
Oh, if you could go to any country now for a holiday, where would it be? I mean, we
Now.
already
Yeah.
had one country question, like where would you go if you could go anywhere? But like now, I guess.
Yeah, definitely Korea. Yeah, because BY4 have a comeback yesterday.
Yeah, attend all the
So,
music bank.
I need to go to all the music bank, all the music show, the showcase, the radio, everything. I need to be there, but I cannot. If I could, maybe if it's like maybe 3 or 4 years ago, I might. If I'm still like 3 or 4 years ago, I might be there now.
Yeah, but now a bit.
Right.
Now it's too
Cannot
cold.
commit. Yeah, cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to let go. Bye. Now it's Kuchan. No.
Oh, say bye to the era of your life.
Yeah. To grow up.
他长大了
Yeah, 长大了。
Leave the oppa behind.
Next time I send Oppa my wedding
Invitation. Oh my gosh.
Then I tell him goodbye.
Oh no. Okay, I asked you one question that I'm sure some people are interested to know. If you could travel to any country for your honeymoon, which country would you want to go to?
Honeymoon. I never really thought about that. Maybe no. Maybe Paris.
France.
France. Go
So-
eat pasta.
There's pasta in
Yeah,
France?
I don't know. Italian. No, I go eat croissant.
Croissant, the croissant.
Yeah. The croissant. The macaron.
Yeah. But France is such a nice place. So romantic.
Yeah, the romantic place.
Wow.
Then got the they have like very nice architecture. All the very these Victorian style houses. So I like that kind of. I like that kind of houses.
The vibe, yeah.
Yeah, the vibe is very nice.
So
Yeah.
nice.
I'm not sure. But very scary. I scared people scare me.
Yeah. I feel I'm also scared of Europe. A bit scary, like all the pickpockets and all that stuff, you know.
Yeah. Then I don't know.
But
it's nice. Maybe it's worth it.
Yeah. I mean, it's romantic lah. Even if you're so cool, you know, there.
Get robbed.
Yeah, get robbed, but then at least you guys are together, you know.
At least you saw the tower.
The Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. You know, still romantic. Yeah.
Yeah, it's romantic. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question. Which top 3 cafes do you have for recommendations in Singapore?
I don't really go cafe that much actually.
Any
Yeah.
restaurant?
Restaurant maybe I have like earlier we spoke about the SCBD, the Sundubu place. That is very good.
Yes.
It's the best Sundubu ever.
I love that
Okay,
place.
yeah. But Singapore, I haven't really go out that much. Maybe maybe recently, I think we went to Coma. Coma also not bad. Yeah, recently we went to Coma.
Coma?
Coma at the MBS.
Wow. Wait, what's that?
Japanese It's like Japanese fusion.
Oh, Koma,
Yeah,
Singapore.
Koma. Yeah, Koma
Oh,
Singapore. It's quite
wow.
expensive, but yeah.
Wow. What the interior of the place looks like the AI.
Yeah,
It was crazy. Oh my gosh.
it's at a bridge in the middle of the restaurant.
Wow. Wait, that's really crazy. That looks so
So,
good.
can't say we cannot bring the yeah. That was a date like recently.
Ah.
Yeah. So
Wow.
they have a very nice cod fish there. Wow, I cannot forget the cod fish, but it's so expensive. It's like
Wow.
small piece of cod fish was like $66, I think. Very small
What?
piece.
3 pieces. That's
Yeah.
$22 for one codfish.
Yeah, it's very small somewhere. It's like maybe a size of a mochi. Like the daifuku, like the daifuku size. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's
But it's so good.
insane.
It's very creamy, very buttery.
3 pieces for 60. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, worth it. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Worth. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's miso. Yeah, miso coffee. Cod
Oh
fish.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Then they have like the steak also quite good. The short rib.
Wow.
The crispy chicken also very nice.
Oh my
Like
god.
they make like a popcorn chicken. Then they coat it with like some cereal thing. Then they have like
goodness.
a sauce. I think it's very good. But it's also quite. I think that one is show photos. I have photos. I have photos.
Oh my god. That's so
The photos is very
nice.
Yeah. It's very nice. And the ambience is so good. So usually I think it'll be a very nice place for anniversary and like occasion.
Oh my gosh. That sounds so good. I
it's
guess
a very nice place. Yeah. Go, you know what to do.
Yeah, I guess some people still can find their girlfriend for date even while playing OSRS.
The hint.
Some people can go and bring their girlfriend to eat miso codfish.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be an anniversary to do that.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Kay has recommended the SDBC.
SCBD.
SCBD.
SD Sundubu. SDBC.
SDBC. And then the Koma. SBCD.
I don't know what.
Okay.
SBCD. Okay. Koma.
Last recommendation.
One more. Restaurant. What else would be nice? I don't know. A pasta place.
Wow.
I think the recent one that we went also quite nice. The Lino's, right? The pasta place.
Lino's? You're going to a legendary place? Oh yeah, the one that you'll tell me about.
Oh yeah, the legendary place. Cause I haven't go yet. Cause we haven't went yet, so I cannot say it's like recommendation.
Where is it now? Yeah.
But I heard it's a very good place.
Okay,
very hard to get the buns and.
I see.
Yeah, so it's very hard to get the reservation. I think we tried like whole year or. Since last year we tried.
You can do food review.
You have to like camp at 10 a.m. to get the slot.
Oh my gosh.
10 a.m. Then usually within that second the slot like gone.
Oh my goodness.
Very fast.
Y'all should do a food review. Definitely should do a food review. I want to see the food there. Imagine 6 months.
Hopefully it's as good as the hype. But yeah, I think it's one of the top few restaurants in Singapore.
Oh, is it Michelin starred or something?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Buns and
yeah.
65 of the world 50 best restaurants.
Wow.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta
But
tell
yeah,
us how
not
it went,
65.
man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Kuchan says it's Michelin star.
Yeah, it's Michelin
Wow.
style. Wow.
Wow,
Wow.
wow, wow. Some
Yeah, then I
people.
saw they have this dish, quail egg. They like a teaspoon of quail egg with caviar on top, the kind. I want to try that.
Oh my gosh. Wow, wow,
Quite
wow.
interesting.
Hey,
Caviar.
baby.
I've never
Mm,
even eaten that.
yeah.
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm awaiting your photos very eagerly.
Yeah. I think we'll just go all out that day.
Wow.
Like
Must be
saving, no
wow.
saving.
Must be expensive though. Oh,
Yeah, I think it's quite expensive.
wow. I'm jealous.
I think it will be worse than coma, probably.
Oh really? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All the best to your wallet.
Yeah.
But you know, if it's food, you know it's worth it. Worth yeah.
I think it's okay if you don't go out on date for a lot of times a month. Like once in a while we go out, so we can be able to spend like this
I see.
once in a month. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Wait. Okay. Let me see if we have gone through all the questions. Cravings. I think that is all the questions.
Yay!
Yay! Yippee! We went through all the tough questions today. Yeah,
I feel like a food blogger.
No, but I mean, especially because you guys eat a lot, right? Like you go out and eat,
Yeah.
right? So you should definitely review some food or like I wouldn't mind actually, like if y'all do like food vlogs and all that stuff. I think it'll be so interesting. You say like, oh, that's
Yeah.
good or that's good. Like you just video the food or something.
Yeah, since I already spent so much on the food, right? But I still make it.
Milk all the content. Yeah, milk
Yeah.
it.
Like, this food very salty.
do food review or like just I think that would be cool. I will be very hungry as I watch.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, we are coming to the end, nearing. So we are gonna watch some clips. We're going to watch some clips of Kay's shenanigans on her stream. Just to give you guys an idea of what kind of things that she does on her stream. So I'll go to change my window so that you can see it, okay? Okay. Let me know if you guys can hear the sounds or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, let's start from here. A big chili.
Chili very scary. Chili is a big monster.
What is
Chili very this is just a choice.
What?
Chili.
But it looks so cute though. Like I love how you draw the mouth. A bit soft. I
Yeah.
think in general, let me
Chili very scary. Chili is a big monster.
but it's very
Chili.
cute. It's so cute. I love the style. I really like how
Yeah.
you draw the mouth. It's like laughing.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you noticed that in front is actually you.
Yeah. I saw. It's my own design.
Yeah,
I
your
saw
own design.
the one must be a bit hard to draw.
Yeah. So this context was Chili was scaring Yuvi with the corn chips on her hands.
Oh my gosh!
You remember
Oh my
this
god, I
moment?
forgot this. She was attempting to scare me.
Yeah, when you open the door, she was trying to scare you.
I was like, what are you doing?
So I drew, I drew. I wasn't at that moment. I wasn't at that, but I heard about it. So I drew.
She had
The nurse got shocked.
very evil look on her face as she held the corn chips. Tried to scare me. Okay.
Yeah, very cute.
Yeah, so
It's
cute.
very cheap.
Yeah.
It's very chilly.
I almost forgot. I almost forgot that moment. Okay. Next one. Run like Great Singapore.
Allah. Yep, there's something.
This looks
I'm
scary.
scared.
Don't worry.
Just run. It looks scary.
Fine.
This looks
Oh,
quite
I
scary.
forgot it's Singapore.
Oh, but the mobs is so funny.
Yes.
I forgot
Oh,
what's my hunter.
oh, you're playing L4D.
Yeah.
Where's the gun?
Yeah, we play.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, follow me, follow me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit. Chill.
Do you notice the mob?
Yeah, I
It's
saw.
just four guys.
Follow
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That looks so chaotic. Oh my gosh. Why are they all four guys?
Okay, go out, go out. I forget how to go already.
Yes, go. Here. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no.
So I
running
changed the
button.
not auto.
Is
I
it
changed
a
the
mod?
mobs to four guys.
Oh.
Guys, the mod, yeah.
It's so
Because
cute.
I cannot
though.
tahan the zombie.
Yeah, but the four guys really very cute.
Yeah, very funny. It's like very round, then they run after you.
Yeah, I a bit sabuta to shoot them. So cute eh. Look at
Then
that
you
four
take
guy.
the melee, you go and hit them.
Oh my gosh. That's so cute.
Yeah, it's a very fun game.
Mm.
Then they have like the mobs that like the mod that you can change the main the witch and the main the bigger mobs to Genshin characters.
Genshin characters?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes, you have like Paimon like jumping on you kind of thing.
Paimon? that would be really
I think
chaotic.
I only had that mod. Then I didn't have time to go and change. So I only changed the four guys. Then I cannot take the scary. It's like FPS already.
Yeah.
It's like both of it's like the two things that I am most afraid of, horror and FPS. So I only can choose one, so I choose FPS over horror.
Yeah.
So
I mean
have to
like
change.
the zombie quite scary lah, yeah.
Yeah. Then I changed the blood to rainbow blood.
Okay. I mean like you mount it down for yourself.
yeah.
Mm.
I cannot do that.
It's okay. Slowly.
Slowly.
Okay, next question. No, next question. Next clip. What is this? Little company recently.
Bye bye.
Oh, the slime.
The boba died.
Uh-huh.
Just gonna go through. I think here. Oh my
Oh,
god.
You step on the slime. Oh no, how are you gonna go?
Help me. Oh yeah, cannot walk. Okay, the other side.
Oh no, I'm back there.
Oh my god, it must be this was the longest 5 minutes I ever had on the stream.
I think I was watching. I think I was spectating.
Yeah, cause we went to tally in, right? Then we don't have anything. Then I was at a room with turrets in front of my room.
Oh my gosh.
Then I was like, who? Then Boba was like outside. Okay. Then I was like, who are you?
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I finally go out. Then after a while with Boba, then he died. Then I cannot find anybody. Then I tried to survive. Then I was like, please TP me. Please let me die. But I don't even have mob to kill me.
Yeah, I remember watching you for this one. You really survived damn long. You survived so long.
So I put it in because like this is like one of the achievements for me to survive so long.
Yeah, I remember like all of us were dead already.
Yeah.
Then we were just like spectating you.
I was
like,
no, why?
Yeah, but
Okay.
wow, that was impressive though. Like you really survived very long.
Yeah, I just like running around like crazy.
Yeah.
Some Mac chicken.
You know, they say like if you want to get teleported, you should like spin around in circles or something.
Oh,
But I think like nobody at the ship was.
I thought about like, should I just stand at one corner? Then people might think that I'm dead because I'm not moving. Then I thinking like, okay lah, maybe I should just continue. Maybe I'll find somebody. Then I didn't expect so many people died. Then I'm like at the back, I don't know if you can hear. There's actually a skinwalker of your voice also.
Oh, really? Wait, let's hear it.
I think it's it's a bit. Is it around? Yeah, it's around here. Cannot.
I think I heard a little bit.
Yeah, just now. I think earlier.
My
So,
voice?
it's your voice. Then I thought like you were nearby. Then I was like thinking, yeah, we had skinwalker. Maybe it's not your voice. It's just that slime.
Oh my gosh. Let's hear it.
I can't remember it exactly.
Oh,
Yeah, this part.
oh, I
We
heard,
were
I heard.
talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I heard my voice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's so scary.
Yeah, and that was like, I thought there's someone near me. Then like, maybe that's not. Maybe a skinwalker.
I think I was dead by then. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So
That's
when I died, right, then suddenly everybody was like dead already. It's like okay, okay, I managed to survive.
Yeah, oh my gosh. You survived very long compared to all of us.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Moba for rescuing me from that room. I should end up. She
Okay.
sacrificed for me.
Yeah. What is this? What's this game? Oh, this is your paper bag. Oh,
Oh.
okay.
Okay. What happened?
No.
She just turned on. She just turned in.
What happened?
Oh, the bright the
Oh.
paper just suddenly turned.
Oh my
Like,
gosh, wait. I would be scared too. Oh my gosh.
She just turned on. She just turned in. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, don't come.
It's scary, the face.
That's scary. Go away.
Oh my god.
It's my wife. Okay.
Oh my gosh. So
my wife saved me.
scary.
The paper bag is not the bad person.
Oh my gosh. That's really, really
That
scary,
face is very
man.
scary.
Yeah, what the heck?
No.
I would be scared too.
Yeah. It's usually it's like when you play the paper bag game, you get a bit scared. But after that, when you watch through, like actually not that bad.
Okay.
I still can tahan this. I think. Just that, yeah.
I mean,
A lot of
it's
thinking
creepy.
involved in this game.
It's very creepy, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The puzzle is also very, very hard also.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay. This is a bit insane, First round Yakuman. 18 days ago, so recent. Oh my lord. Okay, let's watch this. What the heck? Your hand is complete already, almost.
Yeah,
Just waiting for the white.
my first.
Oh my gosh, someone got Kita. What?
I'm very nervous right now.
Oh my god. What a crazy hand. First round.
Yeah.
You got it! Oh my gosh, that person must be so shocked,
I Shadow Realm.
Oh, from the start? Wow.
Yeah, from the start.
One round game, Oh my goodness.
Finally got something I can keep already.
48. Wow. Let's go. Like real.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. First round, Shadow Realm.
Shadow Realm,
Oh
the
my
first
God.
round, yes.
This is case luck, guys.
No, I actually lost a few rounds before this, so I was like, wow, finally this round I got luck.
It's all accumulated. All accumulated. to
all
that-
the
that
sweetness
round.
accumulated
Yeah.
to a good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so this is all the clips that we have for today.
Mm.
Yeah. more.
Yeah, sorry, I don't have a lot of clips.
It's okay. It's okay. Make more next time.
Yeah, it's like a lot of them I have to make because of the stream.
I mean, like they're very very entertaining clips. Like, oh my gosh, I would be so scared for some of the
Yeah,
horror.
I think I have one more clips that is the Kuchan famous last word also actually. Yeah,
Wait, which
it's very
one?
funny.
Which
Can I not
one?
put in?
Eh?
Okay. Let me try. Let me see.
Maybe I missed it.
Famous last word.
Not there. Oh,
Mhm.
maybe it's there. Oh, it is. Yeah, I just missed
Oh.
it. Sorry.
They are very
Okay.
fun.
I gotta see.
What's the
Let's
worst
see
that can
this.
happen?
Oh. Okay.
Famous last word.
Die.
What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
Famous last word.
Cannot hear.
Die.
What's the worst that could
Oh,
happen?
don't jump.
Oh,
Kind of.
oh, I think he's gone.
Huh? I'm not sure.
It's there. But why he?
Wait.
Oh, I forgot to
Bye.
change it.
Puchan is now swimming. Oh, he's swimming. I'm
Oh,
also
he's
falling
swimming.
down. Help.
Yep, I also
Oh
falling
no.
down.
Oh no.
Bye.
You all follow Kuchan.
Yeah.
Oh no. Why you survive quite long just doing this?
Yeah. Just swimming.
Yeah.
It's like
You
Kuchan say,
survive
what's
quite
the
long.
what's the worst that can happen? Then he just jump down.
Oh my gosh. Was this your first game?
Hi Shira, hi Kay.
I think it's Kuchan first game, not mine. I think.
You really like what's the worst thing
Yeah.
that can happen?
Yeah.
Famous
The thing is, he say what's the worst thing that happened. Then he went down. Then we were like, oh no.
Immediately.
Oh.
Yeah. Then he was like, I'm okay. Then we follow him.
Why you all follow
But why
him?
he?
Because he thought he was okay. Maybe it's a road that we can go. then we go down already. Then, oh shit, we are falling.
We only all have like
We then die
the
immediately.
yeah, if only all had the teleporter.
Yeah. Then that's like, oh, why alone?
You know, like exploration. You know, you have to give the newbies time to explore. You know, in the company.
Yeah. It's so funny.
Yeah. But anyway, this is the real end of the clips. Yeah, I've been like we've been streaming for almost 2.5 hours. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, time passed so fast, right? Still talking shit.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Calling people out.
Yeah, calling people out. Anyway, Kay is having her birthday stream on tomorrow. Yeah. And
Yeah.
at 8:30. Yeah. So we'll be playing some party. Wait, is the party animals tomorrow or the day after?
Yeah, party. Tomorrow
Tomorrow.
on the 10th.
I thought it's 11. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, no.
All right.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it mixed up.
Oh no.
That's
No,
okay.
because 11 I have plans. So
I see.
yeah.
I was like, oh, okay, birthday, so it should be 11. I mixed it up. Yeah. So tomorrow,
Nice.
Kay is going to have her birthday stream. So exciting. Yeah, we'll be on there with party animals. It'll be a chaotic time.
Yeah.
And she has a special announcement at 12 a.m.
Yes.
So you guys must.
Yeah, on my birthday. I have a
Yeah.
special announcement.
I wonder
So
what.
excited.
Yeah, I wonder what that special announcement could be.
Yes. Maybe I will grow white hair.
Is that a teaser? Any hints? Any hints?
Huh? Hints? No,
Yeah.
no hints.
No hints?
There's a special
any,
announcement
any teaser?
for you to guess.
Okay, I guess we really have to tune into her.
The teaser is tomorrow.
Yeah, guess they have to tune into her stream to understand what's the
Yes.
announcement. Yeah.
Yes, you must say happy birthday to me first.
Say happy birthday or no knowledge.
Yeah. It's like you will know.
Yeah. So apart from that, do you have anything else you want to like promote
Promote?
before we
Yeah.
end the stream?
My birthday stream, okay, promote already. My art raffles, please. If you are interested in my fat, please join my art raffles. It's going to end tomorrow 6 p.m. Yeah, so I might, if I manage to sort it in time, I might announce the winner on my stream also.
Oh, nice. Yes.
Maybe I do like a roll or something. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so Kay's birthday raffle is actually pinned on chat. So if you just click the link, you'll be able to go to the tweet that has like the birthday raffle details. Yeah, it's so cute. The it's so cute. So yeah, join the raffle. Any closing words then? Any other things you want to say in the chat?
Closing words. Thank you for coming today. I honestly I was very nervous at the start, but thanks Yuvi for being such a good host. For making me less nervous, I guess. She talked to me a lot before the stream. She sort of marinate me.
Marinate you.
Marinate me a bit before the stream so that I won't be so nervous.
I will.
Yeah, so
I will put it in the format. Marinate 15 minutes before stream.
yeah. And thanks for all the questions that was asked. It was quite interesting questions. Yeah, I didn't expect a lot of these kind of questions.
Yeah, actually,
because I was very nervous about like whether people will ask me question or not,
whoa,
whether people will be interested.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm very low self-esteem kind of person.
No,
So
you have to have confidence. You know.
I will try.
Yeah, you need to get confidence. Then all the spicy things will slowly leak out.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
true. You have to get to know me more.
Yeah. I mean, like, I think everybody is nervous. Like, everybody's nervous. Especially if they've never done like just chatting or like a talk show kind of thing before. So I think it's normal to be nervous. So yeah, I will marinate my future participants if you guys need marination.
Yes, fish marinate them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Then I guess that's all. Thank you guys for coming by. Episode 9 has not been set yet, but stay tuned to the Twitter to see if when episode 9 will come out. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining. And thank you Kay so much for joining. And go and listen to her birthday stream tomorrow at 8:30. Bye bye. Like say bye.
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 안녕.
안녕.
Oyasumi. Go sleep.